Hello everyone. In this session, let's understand the concept of loop break and loop continue statements. Break to break the loop and continue to continue towards the next iteration of the loop. These concepts are same in for loop, while loop. Let us take the example of same example that we saw of while loop in the last session. Say we have an integer a is equal to 100 and we have the while loop with the condition a greater than 50, and then we have a minus equal to 5, and we were showing the output in the console for the values of a. When we execute this code, we have the values till 50 while the condition is true. Now let me introduce another condition inside the while loop, that is if a becomes 75, then I want to break the loop. So what I'm doing is I'm saying that I have another condition in the loop, and when the condition is met, I want to break. I want to stop iterating. So in this case, when the value of a will become 75, it will simply break out of the loop. It will exit the loop. When we execute this, we can see as soon as the value of a became 80, next it becomes 80 minus 5, 75, condition became true, and it is exiting the loop. Now over here, if I replace this break with continue, see what happens. The continue simply will continue to the next iteration of the loop. It will not break. Still, all the iterations of the loop will be done. Continue simply continues to the next iteration of the loop. What I mean by that is whenever the continue statement is encountered, it will forget whatever is the leftover code in the loop and skip to the next iteration. So when we execute this code, you will see 90 and 80. After 80, look over here, when the value became 75, it is not printing it. It is forgetting whatever is left, whatever code is left in the loop, and simply jumping to the next iteration of the loop, that is for 70. And then 65 and so on, loop will continue while the condition is true. So the difference in between break and continue is break will break the loop, exit the loop. Continue will simply continue to the next iteration, jump to the next iteration, forgetting whatever is the code that is left to execute. Okay, this is an interview question, the difference in between continue and break. And now you know the answer, very simple.